What's going on, guys? I'm Brandon from Walker's Woodworks. Welcome back to the channel. I'm out in the shop working today and I got a lot of edge banding to do, so I figured I'd stop and make a quick video and show you guys how I use this fast cap, fast edge stick-on edge banding. It's a lot easier than using iron-on, and I don't do it a whole lot, so I don't want to buy a really expensive edge bander. So I like to use this stuff. So I'll bring you guys in close and show you how I put it on. So you want to make sure your piece is secure so you can put some pressure down on it and it's not going to slide through your clamps or fall on the floor or anything like that, damage the other edge. Usually when you cut these, it's not a perfectly smooth surface, so I like to take a sanding block like this and just go over it a few times, just make it nice and smooth. And then take some air, blow the dust out. So it has a nice surface to adhere to. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. I'm using my camera mic right now. But you just take this, get a piece out that's about 1 inch longer on each side just to give you a little room to work with. Trim it. Oh, by the way, you can buy this whole kit besides that to install this stuff fairly cheap. It's not too bad. Definitely cheaper than an edge bander, and it gives you everything you need, and it's all on their site and all that stuff. So this video isn't sponsored. I just get a lot of questions on this stuff, and I wanted to make a quick video to show you how to put it on. This is a decurling tool. Just takes the memory out of it from being rolled up in the package. You don't want to do it too hard because it'll actually break. So just get some of the memory out. So this is real wood. It's just really thin. I think it's like 2 millimeter. I don't even know. It's thin. Anyway, get it to where it's fairly flat. Peel the backing off, which is sometimes the hardest part if you don't have nails especially. Get that peeled off. Don't let it touch anything. You don't have to be super careful right here. It's overhanging each edge quite a bit, so just get it pretty lined up. Start it with your fingers. Use this roller, which comes with either rubber or metal rollers. I don't know which is better for which. I just use the metal ones all the time. Gives you more weight and pressure, and just kind of work it down into the crevices of the wood. It'll kind of activate the glue, heat it up a little bit, and make it stick. Once that's done, use the flush trim cutters, and you kind of hold it up against the edge so it's flush. Flip it off. Same thing over here. Once that's done, use this tool. It's the cutter that trims the edges. They actually make a red one that has a carbide cutter in it, and it'll last a little bit longer, but this is kind of the cheaper version that came with the kit, so I just use it until it's not working anymore. Clamp it down. Takes one pass. Sorry, it's windy outside. And then this is the sander. You just take this, make a few passes, and that kind of breaks the edge over, gets rid of the sharp corners. I like to go back and rub the glue off. That's pretty much it. Pretty simple. Hopefully this video was helpful. If you guys have any more questions, leave me a comment down below. I'd be happy to answer them. Also, let me know if you like these kind of shorter tips videos. I will try to put some more out more often. I will leave links to all this stuff in the description below for you guys to check out. Give me a thumbs up as always, subscribe, hit that notification bell to know when I drop new videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.